The naval Battle of Matapan took place on 19 July 1717 off the Cape Matapan, on the coast of the Mani Peninsula in southern Greece, between the combined naval forces of Venice, Portugal, the Papal States and Malta and the Ottoman fleet, under Kapudan Pasha Eğribozlu İbrahim. Events: Dido's 24 sailing ships met up with Pisani's 24 galleys and Maltese leader Bellefontaine's 9 Portuguese-Maltese ships near Cape Matapan on 2 July. After trying separately to find an advantageous position with respect to the Ottomans for several weeks, occasionally having to land to find water, the Allied force went to Marathonasci, near the top of the Gulf of Matapan, to water. They had tried to make it to Sapienza, but winds were against them and they took the risk of being caught in the Gulf. Despite having the galleys tow the sailing ships south, there were not enough galleys, and the Ottoman fleet, with 30 sailing ships and 4 galleys, were seen to the south, at the west side of the bay entrance, on 19 July. With a light wind from the SSE, this meant that they had the advantage. Dido, unable to sail to the west of the Ottoman fleet, decided to sail slowly east, across the bay. The fleet was in 4 divisions. Dido was in the van, which was led by his second-in-command, Cora. The 3rd or rear division was commanded by Dolphin. The 4th or Allied division was commanded by Bellefontaine. Ibrahim with 6 ships attacked the rear division at about 6 a.m., while the rest of his fleet went ahead and attacked the van and center. At about 12 p.m. the fleets were approaching the east side of the bay, and shortly after the leading ships turned, the wind turned from the Shea, putting the leading Venetian ships to windward of some of the Ottoman fleet for the first time. Taking advantage of this, Dido attacked them and the tough battle continued. At about 3 p.m. the Ottoman fleet retired, sailing for the Cervecerígo Passage, while the Allies sailed for Cape Matapan. Neither side wished to continue the fight. As a result of the battle, Venetian attempt to recapture Morea was decisively foiled and the Ottoman reconquest of the peninsula was confirmed. Each Allied state gave their own ships complete credit for any achievements. Some of these accounts are almost totally unreliable due to a variety of reasons, for example, their inclusion of forces which were not actually present for the battle, ships involved